How do you even get a bankruptcy off your credit report? Okay, listen. So first off, a bankruptcy can stay on your credit report for up to 10 years. I know that's a long time to be punished for something that's already over. But, and this is the part most folks don't know, that doesn't mean you can't challenge it or try to get it removed early. Step one, pull all your reports. You got to start by checking all three: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Don't assume they all match, because they don't. You can go to annualcreditreport.com and pull them free once a year, or use Credit Karma just to peek. Look for the bankruptcy entry, the court name, case number, and filing date. Step two, check for any mistakes, and I mean any. If the info is even a little bit off, the wrong date, wrong case number, misspelled court name, that's your opening. You can dispute it. The credit bureaus have to verify it with the court, and here's the thing. The courts don't report bankruptcies. The bureaus get it from third-party databases. So if they can't verify it properly, boom, it can get deleted. Step three, file your dispute. You can do this online or by mail. I always tell folks to mail it with a letter, because then you have proof. Say something like, "This bankruptcy is being reported inaccurately. Please verify all details or remove it from my credit report. Attach a copy of your ID and maybe a utility bill." Keep it professional but firm. Step four, follow up like you mean it. They've got 30 days to respond. If they can't confirm it with proper documentation, they must delete it. If they verify it, you can escalate by sending a verification request, or even contact the courthouse to confirm what's public and what's not. Step five, work the cleanup. Even if it stays, you can clean everything else around it. Make sure the debts included in bankruptcy show a $0 balance and discharged in bankruptcy. That helps your score bounce back faster. And as your credit improves, that old bankruptcy loses its power. Your new positive stuff starts to outweigh the old mess. Bonus tip, there are credit repair companies that'll do this, but honestly, you can do it yourself for free. Don't pay anybody hundreds to write letters you can write in 10 minutes. End of the tea. So yeah, technically it's supposed to sit there for up to a decade, but plenty of people have gotten theirs removed early just by catching reporting errors or pushing the bureaus to verify properly. You just got to be consistent. They count on people giving up after one try. Don't do that.